In maths, we are going to start add the numbers, means time and temperature, how we have to add time. Okay, time and temperature add we have to do. Exercise 13.2 we will do. First sum says 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes and 1 hour 25 minutes. 1 hour, one, pay attention here. 1 hour 25 minutes. First pay attention here. Look in the book now later. So the question is saying add 2 hours 30 minutes, 1 hour 25 minutes. So how we have to add? What are the rules to add time? There are certain rules. Okay. So let's begin with the first sum. As and when we are going to do further, I am going to tell you the rules also. So first hour column and minute column. In hour column, we will write hour number. In minute column, we will write minute number. Okay. Now we have to add plus sign. We do add in the same way as we usually add. So 0 plus 5 will give us 5. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So minute column 55 minute. Come to our column 2 plus 1 3. So 3 hour and 55 minute is your answer. Okay, this is the normal straight addition. Clear to everybody? Now another sum. Another sum. Two columns hour and minute. Hour we have 4 hours 18 minutes, 7 hours 26 minutes. We have to add. Okay. Now here 8 plus 6 14. 4 we will write here. 1 will be carried over here. So 2 plus 2 4. 44 minutes in the minute column. In the hour column 7 plus 4 11. So your answer is 11 hour 44 minutes. This is also straight normal addition sum. Okay. Now come on to the third sum. Third is saying hour and minute. Third is saying 9 hour 38 minutes, 6 hour 28 minutes. Now here 8 plus 8 pay attention here now. Pay attention here. Mute your mics, children. There is one rule that you have to listen here. There is one rule that you have to pay attention. So mute your mic and listen to me carefully. Arhan, mute your mic. Till now, we were doing additions where normal addition was there and the number was not exceeding 6. Now here, when this number becomes more than 6, so here what is the number coming? 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry over, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. When 6 comes in this column, pay attention. When 6 or more than 6 comes in this column, we have to follow one rule, that is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So that means whenever it comes 6 or more than 6, we carry over 1 here in the R column. Pay attention. Whenever here in addition the number is coming 6 or more than 6 in this column. In this column, when the number is coming 6 or more than 6, we carry over 1 here. 1 means we are carrying over 60 minutes, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So if we are carrying 1, that means we are carrying 60 minutes. So here the number is coming 6. That means we have carried here 1. So what is left? 60 minutes we have carried. What is left? 0. Okay. And here 1 we have carried. So 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 plus 6, 16. So your answer will be 16 hours, 6 minutes. Answer will be 16 hours, 6 minutes. Only one simple rule you have to keep in mind, that whenever the number comes more than 6 or 6 in this column, we carry 1 in the R section. Okay. Now, let's do one more sum. It will be more clear to you. Hour and minute. 9 hour. Notice we have done now 7 hour, 32 minutes, 6 hour, 24 minutes. Now here 2 plus 4, 6, and 3 plus 2, 5. See, less than 6 is there in this column. Less than 6 is there in this column. What is coming? 5. So we will write as it is. Okay. Now for example, if there would be here 7. For example, I am telling you, if it would be here 7. So, no, if it would be here 3. Okay. So 3 plus 3, this had become what? 6. No, no, no. 6. This has become 6. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will carry over 1 here. So we will write 0 and 1 here. 0 this side. Yes, 1 will be carried. Okay. This is how you have to do addition sums. When 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Are you getting it? But in this question, there are no carryovers. So 7 hours, 32 minutes, 6 hours, 24 minutes. Simply addition is there. 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 7 plus 6 is 13. So your answer is 13 hours and 56 minutes. Clear? I am speaking clearly. It may be problem from your side. Network issue from your side, maybe. Then we are going to do subtract. After addition, we will do subtract. In subtract also, till the number is less than 60, everything is okay. But if the number is more than 6, we use one rule. For example, hour and minute. Now, hour is 5, minute is 56, hour is 1, minute is 34. Subtract. 6 plus 4, 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Simple subtract. 4 hour, 22 minutes. Okay. Simple subtract 4 hour, 22 minutes. Second sum. Second sum. Second sum says 5 hour 33 minutes, 2 hours 14 minutes. Subtract. Will 4 go in 3? We will borrow. So 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4, 9. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. And here 5 minus 2, 3. So 3 hours 19 minutes. 3 hours 19 minutes. This is also normal subtraction. Okay? Is it clear to everybody? Because we have to borrow from here and we have subtracted. Now sometimes what happened, the number is small. Like this, the number is there. Now if you borrow also from here, then how you will subtract this side? Then what we have to do, this we will understand in the next sum. The next sum says, in the R section, there is 8 hours, 22 minutes, 4 hours, 45 minutes. Subtract. Now what we will do? If we will borrow one from this side, suppose we have taken from this side, this has become 12, but this has become 1. This has become 1. How will 4 be subtracted from 1? Will 4 be subtracted from 1? No. Then what we have to do? We borrow from this side. We will take 1 from here, so this will become 7. Yes or no? This will become 7. This will become 7, and we are not taking 1. We are taking 1 means we are taking 60 minutes. Remember this. 1 means we are taking 60 minutes. So from here we have taken 60 minutes this side. So in the bracket we will write 60 because we have taken 60 minutes and we are solving the minute column. So 60 plus 22. 22 is already there. We have taken 1 from this side. From our column, we have taken 1. So we have taken 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes we have taken? 60 minutes. We are borrowing 1 from our column, na? From our column we are taking. So from our column, when we are taking 1, borrowing 1, that means how many minutes we are taking? 60. So we have added 60 minutes in 22. Now it has become 82. Now what it has become? 82. So our new number has become, therefore our new number. अब new number क्या बन गया हमारा? New number हमारा बन गया 782 445. This has become 60 plus 22 82, and this has we have uh, given number, so this has become 7. Okay, now subtract. So 2 minus 5 will not go. We will take from here 12 minus 5, 7. And now it will go easily. So 7 minus 4, 3. And 7 minus 4, 3. So our answer will be 3 hours and 37 minutes. Is it clear now? When the number is small, when both the number is small, here both number is small, this number is bigger, and we cannot subtract. We borrow 1 from our column. When we borrow 1 from our column means we are borrowing 60 minutes because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will add those 60 minutes in the number which is smaller here. So it has become 82. When it has become 82, now this number is bigger than this number and we can subtract easily. This is the rule that you have to follow. Okay? Let's do one more. It will be clear to you. 16 hours, 15 minutes. 8 hours, 55 minutes. Now see again. Ab here 15 is small, 55 is bigger. Can we subtract it? Can we subtract it? We cannot subtract because 15 is a small number, 55 is bigger number. We will borrow from our column. This is hour, this is minute. This has become 15. And how much we have borrowed here? We have borrowed 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes we have borrowed. So 60 plus 15. 15 is already given. We will add 60 here. Now what has it become? It has become 75. Now see, 75 is bigger than 55. Yes or no? So now we can subtract it easily. Therefore, we will write the new number now. This has become 15. So we will write 15 here. Okay. And here we will write 75. Here we will write 8 as it is and 55. Now we can subtract it easily. So 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. And 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 hour, 20 minutes. Do not present. Athar Singh, you are presenting. Do not present. Is that clear to everybody now? How we borrow? When we borrow one, that means we are borrowing 60 minutes and we add 60 minutes in the number. Clear? I will give you the PDF. I will give you the PDF to do the sums. These sums you have to do in your fair copies. All right?